That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
That portion was brought to you by MX3. Dito ako believe.
Mula sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Ang galing-galing mo! Smart dishwashing paste ko. Pritong ulam na masebo, plato at kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bakterya.
Bahid para walang bahid, linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko to! Tanggaling-galing mo! Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Santon Plus Herbal Capsule.
Ako si Jessa, 25 years old. Dati may leukemia ako. Kasabay sa pag-take ko ng aking mga gamot, ang Santon Plus Herbal Capsule. Ang laking tulong talaga ng Santon Plus. And finally, I'm a leukemia survivor.
Santon Plus. Mabibili sa mga butika.
Charm Fabric Conditioner with Bloom Fresh Technology. May antibacterial na at ka-bloom sa bango ang damit.
Charm Fab Gold. Makabloom sa charm. Walang amoy kulong. Kahit sampay sa laon. Makabloom sa charm.
Charm Fabric Conditioner, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Ang galing! Pang matagalan.
Parang tayo lang, Han. Everest Appliances.
Babe, ano ever best decision mo in life?
Siyempre, building a home with you. Everest Appliances. Health, wellness, energy saving. Ever best from Everest.
Mapa-on cam sa TV o on air sa radyo. Aba, dapat laging lively at full of energy. Hello, beautiful people! Ako ang inyong tita Winnie Cordero. Always at your service. Hindi pwedeng lalamya-lamya. Kaya ang partner ko sa trabaho, MX3 Capsule, coffee at tea. MX3 Capsule, dito ako believe.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
MX3. Tunay, natural at original.
DCXL 558.